Let us start with the hard words of poem number 1, The Giraffe. Here the first word is spire. Spire means a tall pointed structure at the top of a roof or tower. Then second word is steeplechase. It means a running race where runners must clear hurdles and water jumps. Then third word is array. Array means before in time. Fourth is munch. Munch means eat something producing a noise. Fifth word is chief. Chief means most important or main. Then sixth word is delight. Delight means great pleasure or happy. Then we move on to word meanings of this poem. The first word is spire. Spire means a tall pointed structure at the top of a roof or tower. Second is steeplechase. Steeplechase is a running race where runners must clear hurdles and water jumps. Then third word is array. Array means before in time. Fourth is munch. Munch means eat something noisily. Fifth is chief. Chief means most important or main. Sixth is delight. It means great pleasure or happy. Now we'll study the make sentences of this chapter. First word is array. The sentence for array will be kill him, array he lands. The second one is spire. The sentence for spire will be the spire was blazing with light. Third one is chief. Its sentence will be he has been elected as the chief of his band. Fourth one is munch. Its sentence will be the giraffe munched sugar pears. And fifth word is delight. Its sentence will be as the kids were delighted last night. Now let us start with the answer these questions of this poem. First question is, what does the poet say to prove that the giraffe is a tall animal? The question is asking that you have to write the statement that proves that giraffe is a tall animal. So the answer will be, the poet says that the giraffe is so tall that he can't adjust it in the picture. As we have seen in the poem that the head is not able to adjust in the picture, and its head is taller than the spire, and the head of the giraffe is also taller as compared to the spire. Then question number 2 is, when does a giraffe wake up? Is this a good or a bad habit? We have to answer that when a giraffe wakes up, is this a good or a bad habit? So a giraffe wakes up early in the dawn. Yes, it is a good habit. We must wake up early.